Hey guys, this is Dalton here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to walk around the 2023 Prism 24DS. This camper is 24 feet 11 inches. It's on a Mercedes-Benz chassis, so it has that diesel underneath the hood. We're going to take a walk around this camper, show you everything it has to offer. Let's take a look and see what she's got. Hey guys, thanks for joining me outside this 2023 Coachman Prism. This is the 24DS-E. So there is a difference a little bit in the 24 series. If it has the SS behind the nomenclature, it is the standard series. If it has the E behind it, it is the elite series. So a couple of big differences on the outside. They are both on the Mercedes-Benz chassis. So you have that Mercedes-Benz diesel underneath of here, as well as that modern cockpit and everything. So again, they both ride the same, both pull the same. Where you're going to notice a couple big differences. This one has a full body paint job, so this cab's nice and painted. Gives you that show-stopping appearance. Another big thing you're going to notice right down here in the rims, instead of being hubcaps that go over top, they are true Alcoa rims. They're not going to lose a hubcap if you take a corner too fast or anything like that. They're real aluminum rims. So let's take a walk around this camper, show you what the big differences are between floor plans, as well as what the elite package has to offer. Here in the cab, you're not going to notice a lot of differences. It's just a standard Mercedes-Benz chassis. But again, that's nothing to shake a stick at, as the modern interior is awesome. You get that big entertainment center. You get the super comfortable seats, nice, plenty of leg room. Mercedes-Benz does it awesome, so you'll never get any complaints out of there unless you're just very, very picky. Moving on down the side of the camper, you're going to notice a couple more differences. This specific one on the elite package, of course, you get the TV on the outside with the speaker on down there, as well as you can select your sound system inside and outside, or both. Now, one of the things you're going to notice here, this awning here, of course, you have the same LED strip, but instead of having the two arms that come down the side of the camper, like the old, I'm going to call it old school, it is the new style that have the awning arms into the awnings. They're underneath there. They cause a little bit better support, and it looks a little bit cleaner. Moving down the camper again, you have slam latch doors instead of the traditional camper doors. So all you have to do is get a little bit of momentum, and they're supposed to shut and latch on their own. And of course, they have magnetic holds instead of the standard clip. Back here on the back of the camper, of course, it looks like you got a little bit of a fiberglass cap here to integrate your nice bright LED lights. You have your backup camera already integrated, and of course you have your ladder, so that way you can get on the roof, make sure there's no debris, and make sure that there's nothing on the awning. But of course you have a slide awning already over there. Here we are inside of the 24DS. Of course, it's the elite package. I'm going to start here with the dinette. Awesome dinette. Instead of the regular, has the tubular arm and you can remove the table. This arm is kind of the new modern one where you just press the button, push it up and down on the hydraulic slide there. So a little bit more upgraded. Of course, you have plenty of storage underneath here with big slide out drawers, so that way you can store anything you need underneath there. So again, a little bit more of an upgrade from the traditional standard package. Moving back here, you have one of the big things I'm going to point out is just starting here, you have solid surface countertops. So instead of your laminate and the other two prisms that we've shown here on the channel, solid surface countertops, you shouldn't be able to cut in there traditionally with a regular knife. And say you're cooking and you have a hot pan, you're not going to discolor or get water damage there. Again, plenty of storage starting here, and then again, another little cabinet down here with drawers. Moving on back to the bedroom here. I'm going to kind of move all the way in so my cameraman can join me. Nice big queen bed with storage over top. You have a shelf over there for any kind of cell phone storage or anything like that. You do have a little shelf over here that you kind of can't see, but you have storage over there on that side. Nice little tall cabinet. And then over here, one nice thing that the elite package looks like it has is these nice little remotes to be able to control all the lights in the camper. So you just press one button and everything turns off. Press one button, everything turns on. And of course you can control night bed lights, any kind of lighting in the camper, and it's all on one little panel. You can just remove this from the wall and change the battery too. So it's a nice little remote technically for the camper. Here into the bathroom, you have yourself a nice shower with plenty of headroom. Nice little skylight for the tall people for plenty of clearance. Nice little vanity and everything for your wife to do her makeup in. And of course that bowl sink makes it just a little bit nicer. Separates that elite package from that standard package again. And again, a little bit more storage here for any kind of clothing. Those new magnets and everything are always fun when you first get a camper. Here you have your nice refrigerator. Plenty of storage in this little camper for any kind of grocery needs you may have. One good thing about this specific floor plan that I like is you can separate the bathroom and the bedroom away with a door. Moving on into the kitchen, you have yourself your small microwave. Again, not convection, but you can cook your Hot Pockets, pizza rolls, anything you may need there. Down here you have your 3-burner stove, so you can cook your grilled cheese, burn it like I like to do. But you have your evacuation fan, so you can push that stuff outside right here in the ceiling. Down here you have your oven, and of course, because it's the Elite package, they give you a faux door. Looks like it's part of the oven, but it's just a nice little cabinet. Again, solid surface countertops with a nice solid surface sink inlay. And when you lift that up, you get yourself a nice little stainless steel bowl sink. And you have your spray nozzle here that moves around, gives you a little bit more movement because it's the Elite package. Moving up here, your cabinetry door. Got that nice little glass insert. Plenty of storage and lighting inside of that cabinetry overhead. Moving across here, of course you have your bed over top. Nice little window out the front so your person sleeping up there can see everything. And it is motorized, so you press a button, it goes up and down. And a great view of the cockpit again. Thanks for joining me of this walkthrough of the 2023 Coachmen Prism DSE. Again, this is the Elite package, so a little bit more upgrades than normal. Thanks for joining me. My name is Dalton with RV Wholesalers. We have this video, as well as a couple other Prisms we have on the website, and any other camper you could possibly think of. Give me a call if you have any questions, 937-843-9000, extension 153. Hope to hear from you. Hope you're having a good day. Thank you.